Are you looking to get into video editing but don't want to spend a fortune? You're in luck. In this video, we'll explore the best free AI video editors available in 2026. Pictory tops our list. This editor is perfect for repurposing existing content into polished videos. It's indispensable for transforming scripts, blogs, webinars, and training materials into engaging videos. It comes equipped with built-in voiceovers and captions, making your workflow seamless. Next, we have CapCut. Ideal for social media clips, CapCut enhances creator workflows with templates, auto-subtitles, and smart features like background removal. If you're creating mobile-friendly videos, this is your go-to tool. Veed is another standout. As a browser-based editor, it offers extensive AI features like subtitles and avatars. It's great for quick video production and collaboration among team members. If transcript-based editing is what you need, Descript is unbeatable. It's tailored for podcasts and tutorials, allowing straightforward editing based on your script. With no credit card required for the free plan, it's accessible right away. Capwing comes next as a collaborative online editor. It combines repurposing tools and subtitles in a shared workspace, perfect for team projects. Lastly, Canva is perfect for teams focusing on design-led video creation. With templates and animations, it's great for making light video content alongside graphics. When choosing an editor, consider your source material. Pictory excels in repurposing, while CapCut is excellent for creating social clips. Descript shines in transcripts, making it easier to tell your story through video. In summary, whether you need polished training videos or quick social clips, there's a free AI video editor out there for you. Start your video editing journey today by exploring these powerful tools. Ready to create? Check out Pictory to repurpose your content into stunning videos now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video editing tips.